Alright, here we go. Jackson, dance. Oh, you can't even see Jax. Dance.
You can't. Hey, you two come sit over here in the middle.
Play the techno music. Play the techno music. Dance.
You're not. You're in the front. You're on this.
Whoa, whoa, I'm driving crazy. Everybody, pump the fist. Pump the fist. Jackson, where you at? Where's your fist pump?
He's doing his shit.
Oh, he's doing it. We can't see it. Here.
Wait. There. Fist pump. Scoot back, Trina.
How'd you turn on the light?
There's no light over there.
Yay!
Scoot back all the way so you can see each other.
There you go. I'm cold. Ready? Sing.
Sing.
Don't even know the words.
Look at Jackson. He's doing two hands.
Where?
You see him? Scoot over. Cause you hit him. I mean, you're covering him. Scoot back. There. Jackson, there. Hey.
It's all about the techno. Screw rap. Screw R&B. It's all about the techno. Today's hits, baby.
Watch the road.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, cop's pulling us over. Cop is pulling us over. All right. All right, y'all. Everybody say hi.
Hi.
Say hi. Say hi.
You can't see Jackson.
All right, we just got done doing the techno. We normally take a drive around the park so that we can do the techno dance. Whenever we get bored at home, we just
Play games.
No, sit down. I'm vlogging here. All right. Anyways.
No, don't do that.
Woo! See my hair? My hair is getting curly.
He always plays songs and we always
Alright, so anyways, no, we just came back from playing volleyball. How was it, babe? Did you have fun?
It was
Good.
Yeah?
awesome.
What was so awesome about it?
Mamma mia.
That you got to work out?
Mamma
Yeah, we just got done playing some volleyball because this Thursday is our second game. It's pretty pathetic, man. Nobody shows up. Like, we have to play against ourselves because none of the other team shows up. So they just forfeit the game. Let's see what's going on. Alright, so anyways, woo!